Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn about what is constructor and method in Java. So in this video, we also make a program and tell you that how to make a method and constructor. So first open the notepad. First we should know that what is the method. So method like function. Methods are declared inside the body of the class, but immediately after the declaration of instance variable. The object created by such a class cannot respond to any message, so we must therefore add methods that are necessary for manipulating the data contained in the class. So this is the real definition of what is method. So the general form of a method is like this: type, method name, and then parameter list. Parameter is like what is what is the value you given in this, and open the curly braces and then method body and close the curly braces. Then this is the general form of a method declaration. So method declaration have four basic part. First, the name of the method, and second, the type of the value the method returns, and third is the parameter list, a list of parameters, and the fourth part is the body of the method. In the body of the method we write some codes, and the type is like int or float and or void. Now let's make a program to how to make method and and we calculate the area of rectangle in this program. So let's write the program. First, class and rectangle. We know that how to make a class, and the first letter of the class is capital letter, and then int length. We're going to declare two variables in length and width, because the area of the rectangle is equal to length into width. So declare two variables, length and width. Now declare a method. Here is the get data is the method. Void get data int x and int y. This is the declaration of method get data. Now open the curly braces, and this is the method body. In method body, length is equal to x and width is equal to y. We declare this. So we know that how to declare a method like this: void get data int x and y int y. Now we will make a program to calculate the area of rectangle by use of this method get data. And now we make a second method name rect area. We use rect area to find the area. So to make another method, first write int rect area, and then open the curly braces, and then int area. So area is equal to length into width. So now we write this length into width, semicolon, and return what will this return? This return area, and close the braces and one more braces. So this is the the program, the basic program. And now write the class which contain the main method. So the class which contain the main method is a rect area. Notice that the rect area is is a method which we write first, and this is the class rectangle. So don't confuse in it. Class rectangle, the public static void main string args. And now write the program. So first int area 1. So area 1 is a variable which will contain the result. And now we write, now we have to make an object of class rectangle. So in previous video we'll discuss how to make an object. So to make our object of rectangle class, first write the class name rectangle and rect1 is the object name. And now new is the keyword to make the object. And now rectangle, and open the parenthesis and close it. So now we're gonna give some value using the dot operator, like this. Rect1 dot length is equal to 10, and this. So we initializing the values of length and the width, and copy this and give the value to the width. Rect1 dot width. Now here is the dot operator to give the value of the instance variable length and width. So length is equal to 10 and width is equal to 15. And now we call the method get data by using rect1. So rect1 dot get data and entering the parameters into the method 10 and 15. And now just give the value to the area 1. So area 1 equal to rect1 dot rect area. We call the second method name rect area. So rect area rect1 dot rect area, and open the parenthesis and close it. So now we give the value, and now we give the value to the area 1, and now call the area 1 means to print the output. Now we call area 1 because the area 1 hold the result. So system dot out dot println, open the parenthesis and area 1, and then add plus is the concatenation operator here, and then simply write area 1. And now close the parenthesis 2 times and save the program. And now we check if the program is it run or not. So save the program, and we just write the name of the class which contain main method is the rect area. So now we save this file, we save this program with rectarea.java, and now save, and just open the command prompt. So search in the search bar command prompt, and just do some steps. First to go to the desktop, cd desktop, and just write javac and rectarea.java, and now it compiles the program, and the program is successfully and the program is successfully compiled. And write just java rect area, and this is the output. Area 1 equal to 150 because we give the parameter 10 into 15, 10 and 15. So the output is 150. So now we successfully make the method and use it. So now let's discuss about our next topic. The topic is constructor. So Java supports a special type of method called a constructor that enables an object to initialize itself when it is created, and constructor have the same name as the class itself. So we can now replace the get data method by a constructor method. So change the name and write the class name, which is rectangle. So we write rectangle, and secondly they do not specify a return type, not even void. This is because they return the instance of the class itself, so we don't need to write void or int. And now just pass the value in the rectangle when we make the object of rectangle. So this is the use of a constructor method to initialize an object at the time of its creation. So now just call area 1. So this is the calling constructor rectangle rect1 equal to new rectangle 10 and 10. So this is the calling of constructor, and this is the defining of constructor. So we know that how to define the constructor and call the constructor. So now we don't need to write this line rect1 dot get data. So we just delete it, and the other lines remain same. And now save the program with Ctrl+S, and now just compile another time, and successfully compiled. And Java rect area, and this is the output area 1 equal to 100 because we give the parameters 10 and 10. So the result is 10 into 10 equal to 100. So in this video we know that how to make method, how to make constructor, and how to use method and constructor. So in our next video we will talk about what is inheritance in Java. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.